Welcome to Wellpoint Bill Pay, presented by Maryland Health Connection. Your new Wellpoint plan will not start until we receive your first payment. Invoices are generated on the 1st of each month with a due date of the 1st of the next month. Your Wellpoint bill will be multiple pages, so let's review the breakdown of your premium information on the first 3. On the first page, the subscriber name, account ID, plan type, and invoice number are listed in the top right. Below that, you will find the bill period duration dates, the amount due, and the due date. On the bottom of the first page, you will find the payment coupon, which breaks down the different ways to pay your premium. We will review these payment options at the end of this video. On the second page, you will find the bill summary. The bill summary will repeat the bill duration, then list your prior balance, any payments received, and any balance from prior bills. Below that, the bill will list the current premium, subtract any financial assistance, and display the total amount due. On the third page, you will find the bill details section. This table will further break down your coverage by showing the subscriber name, ID, member type, plan type, and subtotal amount without financial assistance. Below that, financial assistance is broken down to show any state subsidies and the amount subtracted. Finally, your total amount due will once again be displayed. There are multiple ways to make premium payments, both the first initial payment and the recurring monthly payments. First, we will discuss paying your initial premium. For your convenience, you can make your first premium payment on the exchange at time of enrollment using the Pay Now button. If you choose to wait and make your payment later, you can do so at payment.wellpoint.com/MD using details provided to you in the missing initial premium letter that Wellpoint sends. During the initial premium payment process, you can select an option to use the same payment method for your future recurring payments. Opting in will automate that setup for you, and you will receive an email confirming this choice. If you opt out, don't worry. You can set that up at any time on wellpoint.com. These options will debit your recurring premium from your bank account or credit card on the payment due date. For one-time payments, you'll be able to pay your monthly premium anytime on wellpoint.com or on the Sydney Health app using your bank account or credit card. QuickPay is a super easy guest payment option. Visit quickpay.wellpoint.com with your 10-digit account ID from your bill. You can also pay by mail via check or money order. Be sure to include your 10-digit account ID. Mail your payments to Wellpoint, P.O. Box 6, 406, Carroll Stream, Illinois, 60197-6406. Now you are ready to pay your premium with Wellpoint. Thank you for watching.